First of all, what is the electroscope? Electroscope is a device that used to find out whether a body's electrical charge and whether its charge is positive or negative. It can be easily determined if we know what charge is on it, is on the electroscope. For this experiment, you need copper wire, 2 pieces of aluminum, a glass jar, and one cork. Well, first we make a hole in the lid of the glass container of the or glass jar and place the cork there as an insulator. Then we take the copper wire, pass it through the cork and make a kind of hook at one end, while at the other end we make a spiral. Put aluminum pies or aluminum foils at the end of the hook and seal the bottom, as you can see in the pictures. And finally we have this product, this device. Well, now let's go to test it. This is my home electroscope that determines what kind of chair the object has if we know what chair is there. I decided to use two objects. The first is a balloon, and I have investigated that it acquires a negative charge when the person throws it against their hair. In other words, the balloon gains electrons. The second object is a plastic ruler, which I will rub against a cotton scarf and determine what kind of charge it has. As you can see now, the aluminum foils are together. And well, the way that I charge the copper wire is by induction. Now I am rubbing a balloon against my hair, and well, when I bring the balloon close to copper wire, the aluminum foils separate. Well, as you can see, aluminum foils are kept apart. But what happens when I bring plastic rule close to copper wire? As you can see, aluminum foils try to come together. Well, in this point, I can conclude three things. First is that when I induce a negative charge, the aluminum foils separate, and when I induce opposite charge, the foils come together or try to come together. Second is that plastic rule has a positive charge. And finally, third is that when I touch the copper file with my finger, the electrons lift and go to ground. For this reason, the aluminum foils come together, and in order to it acquire a neutral charge. Thank you.